Welcome to Review Source. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best metal storage cabinets, ranked by durability, storage capacity, and ease of use. Whether you're looking for a rugged steel cabinet for your garage, a sleek storage option for your home, or a lightweight utility cabinet that's easy to assemble, we've got you covered. Links to all the products featured are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Gladiator Premier 30-inch GearBox. The Gladiator Premier GearBox is a professional-grade steel cabinet built for garages and workshops, measuring 30 inches wide by 12 inches deep and 30 inches tall. This wall-mount cabinet offers 2 adjustable shelves and a sturdy double-door design. Each shelf holds up to 50 pounds, and the entire unit supports 150 pounds total. The outside is powder-coated steel with a hammered granite finish, giving it both durability and a polished look. Unlike flimsy sheet metal cabinets, the Gladiator arrives pre-assembled, a big plus for anyone who doesn't want to spend hours with screws and instructions. It mounts easily to Gladiator's gear wall or gear track systems, and once it's up, it feels rock solid. Users love how heavy-duty and stable it feels. Many reviewers mention it's perfect for power tools, paints, and bulky garage gear. One buyer said, "I've got 2 of these loaded with heavy tools, and they haven't budged an inch." The locking doors are another highlight for keeping items safe. Downsides? It's not cheap, and the wall mount design means it's less flexible than a rolling unit. But if you want a serious, long-lasting steel cabinet, this is one of the best investments you can make. Bottom line, the Gladiator Premier GearBox is ideal for garages and workshops where durability, security, and wall-mounted convenience matter most. Number 2. Topeakmart Bathroom Floor Storage Cabinet. Next up is something smaller and more versatile. The Topeakmart Bathroom Floor Storage Cabinet is a compact MDF organizer that works in bathrooms, hallways, laundry rooms, or small apartments. At 36.5 inches high, 20 inches wide, and 12 inches deep, it's slim enough for tight spaces but still gives you multiple storage options. The layout includes a flat tabletop, 2 open shelves, and a 2-door compartment with an adjustable inner shelf. Each shelf can hold about 22 pounds, while the top supports up to 46 pounds. The cabinet is finished in painted white with rounded corners, making it safer in small spaces and more decorative than industrial garage cabinets. Assembly is straightforward thanks to illustrated instructions and included hardware. An anti-tip kit is also included for wall anchoring, a smart safety touch. Reviewers highlight its appearance and practicality. One customer used it as a microwave and snack cart, while another praised how it fit perfectly into a small bathroom. People like that it's affordable, easy to assemble, and stylish enough to use in multiple rooms. On the flip side, some note that the MDF isn't heavy-duty, and the cam screws can feel a little flimsy during assembly. A few reviews also mention it looks slightly smaller in real life than in photos. Bottom line, the Topeakmart cabinet isn't built for storing power tools, but for toiletries, cleaning supplies, and hallway storage, it's a budget-friendly solution with a clean, modern look. Number 3. Seville Classics UltraHD 6-drawer rolling cabinet. For those who need serious tool storage and mobility, the Seville Classics UltraHD 6-drawer rolling cabinet is a top contender. Measuring 28 inches wide, 18 inches deep, and 35 inches tall, it combines all-steel construction with a 3/4-inch solid hardwood top that doubles as a work surface. Inside, you get 6 cushioned drawers with smooth sliding ball-bearing rails. The cabinet includes a locking system with keys so your tools stay secure. With a 300-pound load capacity and 5-inch heavy-duty casters, 2 of which lock, you can roll this cabinet anywhere and trust it to stay in place when you need it stable. Assembly takes some effort. Buyers say the instructions are clear, but there are a lot of screws. Expect 1 to 2 hours of build time, especially if working solo. Once assembled, however, the fit and finish are excellent. The granite-colored powder coat looks professional and resists scratches. Reviews are overwhelmingly positive. Customers call it a great value for the quality, praising the sturdy steel frame, smooth drawers, and versatile use in garages, warehouses, and workshops. A few minor complaints include wishing all 4 casters locked and noting that delivery boxes are heavy. Bottom line, if you want a rolling workstation that's both durable and functional, the Seville UltraHD delivers professional-grade storage at a mid-range price.
Number 4. FedMax Metal Garage Storage Cabinet. The FedMax Metal Garage Storage Cabinet is a tall, steel utility locker built for those who need maximum storage capacity. Standing 71 inches high, 31.5 inches wide, and 15.75 inches deep, it offers 4 adjustable shelves, each capable of holding 180 pounds, for a total capacity of 900 pounds. The cabinet includes a lock and key system with 2 keys, making it suitable for tools, files, chemicals, or even ammo storage. Its slim but tall design makes it versatile enough for garages, offices, warehouses, or home pantries. Assembly is required, and feedback here is mixed. Some buyers find the instructions clear and the process straightforward, while others complain of confusing steps and flimsy panels that dent easily during setup. User reviews highlight its spaciousness and value. One buyer said it was the perfect pantry replacement, while another appreciated the secure locking system for keeping sharp tools and medications safe. On the downside, a few reported damaged panels or poor lock function out of the box. Bottom line, the FedMax cabinet is best for anyone who needs a large, lockable steel cabinet on a budget. It's not flawless, but for under $200, it offers serious storage capacity at a competitive price.
Number 5. Steerlite 4-Shelf Plastic Storage Cabinet 2-Pack. Finally, we have the Steerlite 4-Shelf Storage Cabinet, one of Amazon's #1 bestsellers. Unlike the other steel models, this one is made of heavy-duty plastic, making it lightweight, rust-proof, and easy to assemble. Each cabinet measures 69 inches tall, 25.6 inches wide, and 18.9 inches deep, with 4 adjustable shelves, each supporting about 40 pounds. The door swing opens smoothly, close securely, and can be fitted with a standard padlock for extra security. Another said it instantly made their garage look cleaner and more organized. However, there are trade-offs. The plastic can crack if forced during assembly, and a few people reported missing parts. It's not designed for extremely heavy loads like steel cabinets, but within its weight rating, it performs well. Bottom line, the Steerlite cabinet is a lightweight, affordable, and rust-proof solution for households that want easy storage without the hassle of tools or complicated setup. Each of these metal storage cabinets brings its own strengths, from heavy-duty steel designs with locking security to versatile rolling workstations to lightweight plastic cabinets that snap together in minutes. Whether you need maximum weight capacity, compact home storage, or a rust-proof solution for your basement or garage, there's an option here to fit your space. The best gratitude for the channel is a like and a subscription, and in return, we'll keep introducing you to the best products in terms of price and quality. Remember, links to all the products are in the description, and in the comments, tell us which storage cabinet you'd pick for your home or garage, and which one you think we should add to the list. This was Review Source. See you soon.